Easby Abbey is a ruined Premonstratensian abbey set beside the River Swale near Richmond in North Yorkshire. The abbey was founded around 1152 by Roald, Constable of Richmond. The Premonstratensians, called the White Canons because of their white robes, followed the rule of St. Augustine and combined religious life with preaching, education, charitable work, and service in local parishes. The Church of St. Agatha, in the grounds of Easby Abbey, predates the abbey and is still the parish church today. The exact foundation date of the church is unknown, but an original carved stone cross was found, reused within the church, and which dates from the late 8th or early 9th century. St. Agatha also retains medieval frescoes that were preserved beneath the Reformation whitewash. The site is renowned for its remarkable preservation of the West Range, housing the refectory, priors' accommodation and monks' dormitories, as well as guest quarters. The scale and height of the ruins give a great impression of the grandeur of the original buildings. The kitchens were attached to the refectory building and prepared food for the monks, lay brothers, sick and the poor in the local community. Below the refectory was a vaulted storeroom, likely associated with the attached kitchens. The refectory is where the monks and lay brothers ate their meals, which were believed to be largely vegetarian. Underneath the dorter, or dormitories, was a vaulted storeroom leading to the warming room. Sleeping on straw mattresses, the only warmth in the room comes from the latent heat from the warming room below. Comfort it was not, a fire hazard it probably was. A single candle was left at night to light the way to the necessarium, or toilet, which had a deep chute underneath the toilet, down to a stream below, which was actually far more hygienic than most other town or village houses for this time period. The abbey prospered, being granted more lands over time and earning money from sheep farming. From the late 13th century onwards, Easby came under the patronage of the powerful Scrope family. They adopted the abbey as their burial place and invested heavily in its development. Medieval descriptions reveal that the abbey church once contained richly decorated tombs, including stone effigies of armoured knights, painted shields, and heraldic symbols designed to proclaim family status for eternity. As part of the abbey complex, a large wall was built around the complex, probably not surprising given the northern abbeys often suffered attacks from Scottish raiders. The eastern ranges were believed to be part of the infirmary complex, playing an important role in looking after the sick from the surrounding areas. A large gatehouse was also added, allowing the monks to close the gates to the outside world and feel relatively protected. Outside of the gatehouse, the poor from the area often gathered and were given leftover bread and meat at the end of the day. Easby was closed in 1536 as part of the suppression of the monasteries. By 1538, most of the buildings had been stripped of their lead roofing and partly demolished. Thank you so much for watching this presentation. If you enjoyed it, please do like and let us know in the comments.